Okay, guys, so I know that not everybody spends their free time looking at graphs and knows everything there is to know about graphs. So I thought I'd do a quick little refresher course on how to read a graph in case you want it. If you already love graphs and know everything about graphs, skip this video and just do the assignment. But for those who want it, here it is. So we'll just look at this first one together to get an idea for what it's talking about. And all of them are kind of similar. So if you can do this first one, you can really do all of them. So before we even look at like the meat of the graph, the big stuff in there, let's just look at the two sides here. So on this axis, we've got some numbers and it's telling us that they're percentages. It says they're the percentage of eligible voters who say they voted. So literally, they're just people that said they voted. What percent of a group actually voted? That's what that is right there. The other row down here is years. We've got some years: 1998, 1992, 1996, 2000, blah, blah, blah. We know that these are election years, presidential election years, to be specific. Now, if it had 2012, 2014, and 2016, then we'd have presidential election years and midterm election years. But we're just looking at presidential election years here. So for each year, it's got a percentage of a group that voted. And now we're looking at the meat of it. It's giving us race groups. So it says, like, for instance, this top one is talking about white voters. So it says 65% of white voters actually voted. The rest of that 100% did not vote. So then we have the same statistic for black voters, Asian voters, Hispanic voters. So this is just showing us the percentage of that group that actually voted in that year. So that's what that one is saying. I'll let you do the other ones yourselves, but I just want to show this one. The only difference is now we're doing midterm elections as well as presidential elections. So it's every 2 years. So just wanted to point that out as well. Yeah, hopefully that explains a little bit how to read these graphs if you needed help. If you need more help, feel free to email me or Mr. Hambrick, and we'll try to clear it up for you. But go ahead and complete this assignment and turn it in. Awesome. Thanks, guys.